Recruiters, sourcers, BD pros. Do you need 20 qualified leads in 2 minutes? Watch this. Okay, smash that link that I provided for Jeeva.ai below. It'll bring you right to the Jeeva.ai page, and then you will be on the dashboard. Look for Find Leads. Smash that big, beautiful blue button that says Find Leads. Bam, it will bring you to the search criteria page, and we can now enter in our criteria and start finding leads. Woo! I've entered in my search criteria, Chief Financial Officer, Hospitals and Healthcare, and I used a really tricky keyword, acute care. I could use advanced filters to really strengthen my search. It's already self-populated leads for me, and it's showing me some samples. I'm gonna smash the Generate Leads button. It's also a blue button. Now in a few short seconds, we've got a page full of leads here, and the next step would be to enrich these leads. I'm gonna hit the Add Enrichment button. I'm going to add enrichment columns, and then I'm gonna choose from the different options that I have. I can enrich the person, the email, the phone numbers, whatever it is that I'm looking for. There's a lot of possibilities in how to enrich this. I'm going to choose work emails because I want to email directly these particular prospects. I'm going to hit the Save button. I'm going to hit Run Enrichment. It's going to ask me how many rows I would like to enrich. I'm going to just pick 5 for this demonstration. And boom, just like that, we have their emails. What's next, you ask? Let's download all this great information into a spreadsheet. We're gonna click the amount of candidates we wanna add to the spreadsheet, go over here to the download button, boom, hit that. We could choose whether or not to download or go to a CRM. We're gonna hit download. This will take us to what type of format. We want a CSV file, an Excel file. What is it that we were looking for? We hit the export button and boom, that's it. 2 minutes. We have 20 leads. You could try all this for free. Go to Jeeva.ai, follow the link below, and make it happen. Boom, stop paying $15,000 for a seat and get this. Give it a try.